This is Yang Francisco. I just want to greet the happiest birthday to Inday Merls. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Stay blessed. Keep fit and healthy. Always have a beautiful day. Nga pala, I just want to say thank you to you. Actually, alam ko naman na hindi tayo ganun magkakilala. Nagkakaslubong tayo siguro sa premiere or even in live. Pero hindi tayo nagkaka-chat or nagkakaroon ng anything na pwedeng possible na pag-usapan. But yun, sa mga previous premiere ko, actually, I admit the fact na napasaya mo ako even in a simple way. Hindi ka lang yung YouTuber. For me, you're a great comedian. Thank you for making my day, Inday Merls. Nga pala, alam ko naman na may gusto ka yung wini-wish mo sa birthday mo. Basta soon, may bibigay ako sa'yo, but hindi ko mapapangako kung kailan, pero promise, I assure you na mapapasayo yun. Thank you nga pala, Inday Merls. Just keep up the good work. Happiest birthday again.